Okay, so that's a welcome addition to the shop. I was catching some grief for the old handle. Every once in a while I get a comment talking about it, and I thought, it's kind of a fun project, I'm going to do that. Especially now that I have the new mobile workstation, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But anyway, the finish on the handle is shellac, and I like to use shellac for small projects like this because shellac dries really fast. I haven't glued the handle in place yet because I just wanted to make sure that I liked it. And when I do, I'll probably use 5-minute epoxy. This table saw is a Powermatic 66. I bought it used in 1994 for $1,500. And maybe 3 or 4 years after buying the saw, I had to replace the motor. Other than that, the saw has been great. And the saw gets used a lot. I would consider the saw basically the heart of the shop. The fence on this saw is a Biesmeyer 53-inch fence. The tape on the fence says 53 inches, but the actual cutting capability is 51 inches. The blade that I use most is a CMT Orange Tools 50-tooth combination blade. Sometimes I'll use the 80-tooth, but mostly I use the 50-tooth combination blade. Talking about the new mobile workstation, that project is coming to the channel next week. I'm really excited about that. That cabinet has already proved its value in the shop here with this project. I was a little concerned that it would be in the way, but I don't think it's going to be. I still have 8 feet, almost 9 feet behind the saw, so plenty of room, for making those longer rips. And when this project comes to the channel next week,
it will also go to my Makers Mob, and there you'll get a really deep dive on this project that will include professional plans. So hopefully you'll check out my Makers Mob. I'm really excited to be part of it. A lot of great makers on Makers Mob now, including John Hayes, Frank Howarth, Jimmy DeResta. It's really cool to be part of it. So, and I think it's a great value because not only do you get my projects, but I think there's like 300 projects out there now. So definitely worth checking out. And I'm excited to add this project to my list of projects. So that's it for now. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.